Kumsi benta ban kentiu bat ban amin sia mi nongseng kam lajong lengba ka program PRIME Meghalaya. Hakani kijing sami gini khusnam kidon kenyup kena ngut nongseng kam lajong yak belatip kum ke PRIME Entrepreneurship Award kabadan halaki jong ki benta kabala long has state convention center Shillong. Haba ajing kan umutirang ba konrat ki sangma ula ai kuble ya baro ki nongseng kam kibla yo khusnam bat hakaju opo lapun melaru ban bu no da ka corpus fund kabolong shispa absan kror. Hakaju upor umutirang ba ulo ong bu kwaru ban kentiu kaput ketem hakani kejela but nakaliang jungu ula buru da ka Chief Minister Music Award hakani kejelang lai don lang ru ki officer jong ka Meghalaya Basin Management Agency ka North East Small Finance Bank ka State Bank jong ka India ki nongseng kam la jong bat ki bori call jong ka jela Meghalaya.
Went through, and I'm happy to inform you that we had started a program to first award the entrepreneurs. Then we have started a program now to award the sports people. So every month we select one sports person to be given award. I don't know what we'll call it, but I think they call it the Chief Minister Sports Person Award or something. So that award is there. So we give again 1 lakh to the sports person just to recognize that sports person that it's great what you're doing in the pride that you're bringing back to the state. And then now we've also decided that we're going to come out with the Chief Minister's Musician Award of the month. So we will be giving award to musicians also now, because I was told by somebody that musicians are very unhappy. They said, you're giving to sports people, you're giving to them, you're not giving to us. So we have decided we're going to start with musicians also. So I'm happy to announce that we will be giving the Chief Minister's Music Award on a monthly basis. We will honor and award the musicians of our state. There are so many of them, and they very much deserve it, and they've been neglected. But again, we want to bring in the entrepreneurship aspect to it also. So like the incubation centers we have, we would like the incubation centers to actually have out-of-the-box ideas. So artisans, musicians, these are not the normal incubation center programs that we have, but we should be having, because that's our strength. Those are the things that we're good at. How can we convert that into an opportunity, into some kind of a business model? That's the real entrepreneurship that has to come in. I'm really happy today that we have some of the banks with us here today, but I'm also not happy with the fact that banks always look at faults and always look at what is not there rather than looking at what is there. So therefore, the attitude has to change. You see, if we really want the accessibility, we want the economy to grow, we want things to move forward, and we want the banks to play the role that they're meant to play. So we understand you have processes, but now the PRIME program and government of Meghalaya will play whatever role that we can play from our side to ensure that these particular challenges that you face as a bank, which you need, we'll try to minimize that. But we request you to have an open mind. You need to be also thinking slightly in a positive way. I think from the official point of view, because of so many NPAs and all these things, you've started thinking on everything on a negative front. So before the program, before the application comes in, you already decided, name, I don't think I'm going to give this. Then you start reading what's there. So if you change that mindset and start thinking it in a positive manner, that maybe there's something value to it, and then you scrutinize it, that's fine, fair enough. And if the papers are not enough, obviously you need to do you're also accountable to the officials and seniors at a higher level. So we understand that, but the banks will have to play an important role. In order to take this forward, we will be having a corpus fund for this entrepreneurship prime fund, a corpus fund of 125 crores, which we're going to keep in the next 2 years to work with different entrepreneurs and with the banks, so that we can create that required ecosystem, create that credit linkage to the entrepreneurs, so that the entire boost can be given to entrepreneurship, and more importantly, really take the economy of the state forward, create the livelihood and jobs that we very much require, and transform the state, and obviously transform the lives of our people, of our state.
PRIME Meghalaya of East Jericho's district, weaving and designing. Meghalaya of North Parliament's district, Ngut of West Jericho's district, Bhama Coach of Southwest Parliament's district,